Today we are going to discuss some of the problems on properties of LTI systems. First problem, find the overall impulse response h of t in terms of the impulse response of each system shown below. The block diagram representation is V1, H1 of t, H2 of t, H3 of t. Input is x of t, H4 of t, H2 of t and H3 of t are combined. Plus minus, it is H5 of t, output is y of t. Then we have to find out what is h of t. H of t is equal to H1 of t is multiplied with H4 of t, hence it is H1 of t star H4 of t, and here we have negative sign minus, these two are added, H2 of t plus H3 of t, that should be multiplied with H5 of t. Next problem, x1 of t or x of t is the input, h1 of t, it is h2 of t, both are combined, h2 of t, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive. Next is H3 of t, next is H4 of t, and the output is y of t. We have to find out what is h of t. So h of t is equal to, here 1 is there, hence I have to write delta of t, and here minus symbol is there, hence I have to write minus h1 of t, here positive is there, plus h2 of t. This thing is multiplied with h3 of t, is multiplied with h4 of t. Check the following are the impulse response of LTI systems check whether each system is memoryless, causal and stable. h of t is equal to 0 for t not equal to 0. For all other values it is 0, hence the system is memoryless. And h of t is equal to 0 for t is less than 0, hence the system is causal. And to check stable system, integration minus infinity to infinity mod of h of tau into d tau is equal to integration minus infinity to infinity integration of 3 delta of tau into d tau is equal to 3, which is less than infinity, hence the system is stable. Next problem, h of t is equal to e power 2t into u of t minus 1. Since h of t is not equal to 0 for t not equal to 0, hence the system is not memoryless. Second one, since h of t is equal to 0 for t is less than 0, then the system is causal. And to check the stability, integration minus infinity to infinity mod of h of tau into d tau is equal to integration 1 to infinity e power 2 tau into d tau is equal to e power 2 tau divided by 2 integration 1 to infinity, which is equal to infinity itself. Hence the system is unstable. H of n is equal to 2 into u of n minus 2 into u of n minus 1. Since h of n is equal to 0 when n not equal to 0, hence the system is memoryless. Since h of n is equal to 0, then n is less than 0, the system is causal. Then summation k is equal to minus infinity to infinity mod of h of k is equal to h of 0, which is equal to 2 is less than infinity, then the system is stable system. H of n is equal to cos of n into u of n. Since h of n not equal to 0, n not equal to 0, the system is not memoryless. To check the causality, h of n is equal to 0 for n is less than 0, then the system is causal. Then summation k is equal to minus infinity to infinity mod of h of k is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to infinity mod of cos of k is equal to infinity. Then the system is unstable.